Hi guys, what's up? What are you doing? I'm gonna give a little introduction about myself. My name is Andrea Victoria Hernandez. I am 21 years old. I study language in not in the university and the 40 institution language is produced here in Cucuta, Norte de Santander. In this video, we're gonna talk about the top 5 pronunciation practice. Okay. The first say read the foreign text. Try to make your best effort producing the sound, but don't forget to have in the mid, rhythm, intonation straight. Teacher practice. The teacher practice. The practice lasts 1 week. The teachers want smart cats and the very money. They say that there must be more staff in the school. Schools say that works no money. However, teachers do not believe that. They say the school spend money on different things. Well, the second step is minimum third, and minimum pain is a pair of words that vary by only a single sound. The song making feeling learning that produce the having in mind in your variation of the sound. I want to give little something. Some words I can pronunciation in the American English. In another I pronounce as the British English. Okay. The first cat, but the another is wait. The other is wise. Re-roll, kid, night, take, stick. Another is coughed. Another cut. Bean, tear, peer, tish, fish, they, pay, din, ping, they'll, bill, duck, back, date, bait, bait. Okay, another is talk, call, till, cool. Remember the when you see some word, when you see double in English, you pronounce you. For example, pull, cool, take, cape, toe, cut, catch, or cut. Town, go, tie, guy, tag, gap, tour, go, ghost, tag, gut, tell, gamble, think, feel, tail, fell, tongue, fun, or fun, también es tan, fun, think, big. No, sorry. Thick, big. Well, intonation really different sentences having in mirrors in it really different sentences having in mean this Superman feature. Especially question for an intonation. What's your name? What's your name? Where do you from? Where do you live? Friend, interrupt, position, residential. What's your name? What do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? And the other question recent explanations. Have you read this book? Have you heard that's new? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Regret. May I speak to hell, please? I speak to the child, please? I can borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative question reason and for intonation, the will come back at 5 or at 6. Does she reads books in the morning and the night? We'll try to do in 2 days or tomorrow. Tag question for in a recent intonation. Yeah. When you talk in tag question, you need to put that word. You put more intonation. Okay. For example, do you don't know them? Do you know they haven't found it? Have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, shouldn't I? Come on for intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Asking him for help. Regret. Remember, regret with intonation. Crazy window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamation. Sensitive for intonations. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I am so very happy. I'm so happy. The right question with intonation. Hi, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you from? Enumerating recent intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomato. I need paper, pen, and pencil. In response, I can't cheese. He will. You shouldn't. I'm sorry. You should. I can't. Remember the boyfriend of the Barbie? Why that? What is the name of the boyfriend of the Barbie is Ken. Okay? Ken. This is a similar pronunciation. Ken. I can't. And he didn't. He didn't. Listo? Well, guys, thank you very much. I hope that video can be very useful for you. I hope that teacher understand everything that I want to say. Thank you very much. My name is Andre David Torres, and again, my phone number is 30075444175. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Bye bye.